So I've attempted to do this video about 3 times. I do have another successfully saved copy of a pick and gut on my phone. But the problem with it is that when I dumped the lock, the core fell out of frame. And one could say that I didn't actually pick the lock and that there's just another American core sitting on my desk. So here we are. So this is video attempt 3 at the American 5200. A lot of respect for quality stuff that Bosnian Bill and Lockpicking Lawyer put out, because filming a video is actually kind of hard. Okay, so I have a pretty deep falset. Oh, wow, even deeper. I just touched 2 and it just got very excited. Okay, let's just start over. We're not open right now, we're not open. It's not 1, 2, counter rotation. Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to rotate the phone. So, let's get the lock out of the way first, then we'll just put the lock right in front of the phone, right here. Rotate the phone into the workspace. Okay, here's the lock. Get this vise out of the way. Alright, can you see the pinning mat? So the pinning mat's empty. I guess this probably all matters, right, for this sort of thing. Pinning mat's empty, right? There's nothing in it. I'll put it right here. Lock, core, desk, no other lock core. Because I don't have anything else gutted right now. But I'll try to do a better job of dumping it out correctly this time. Alright. So we'll take our time a little bit more this time. As I drop apart on my chair, thankfully. But hey, look, the lock core is in frame. Alright, we'll just set the body here. Set the rest of the bits over here. And let's get to work. First things first, let's get the circlip off. Maybe we'll have to relock it this time. Let's try to do it without relocking it. Cool. Yep, circlip came off. Alright. I'm gonna let's see. I am gonna relock it because the half moon is pointing down. So I do have a key. So I guess I get to relock it. Move it the other way. I'm gonna shim it because I've had much better luck shimming these. If you don't have shims and you have DVD cases, you can probably get a free shim out of a DVD case. All you do is find one of those security tags. Wow, this is much more difficult than last time. I usually have no problem shimming one of these. There we go. Anyways, this hard plastic security tag, you just tear it apart and you pull the metal film out. Alright, here we go. Nice and easy. I don't want to spill anything and look stupid on the internet any more than we already are. Okay. So, I'm going to start dumping these pins here. So, you can see my mat. Again, it's still empty. Okay, I just dropped 2 pins. Where my pin tweezers go? Let's see. The first one is that super low cut. The second one's the. Okay, let's just continue on. I'll be a little more careful. Got 3 out, 4, and 5. There's only a 5-pin or American. Okay. Just set that right there. Oh boy. I'm getting work Skype messages. Alright, better hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna yank the shim. And we're just gonna start going through. So the first one is serrated. Second one, serrated spool. Third one, serrated spool. Oops, I just dropped it, but the fourth one is a serrated spool. And the last one, let's do the bill trick, is a serrated. Okay, it's a commercial lock, so we're just gonna beat on it with some tweezers to get the springs out. Try to arrange this a little bit. Got here is this right there. Nice and easy. Alright. Now we just go in reverse, starting with springs. So, helps if you can find the hole. Okay. These are all the same little copper springs, whatever American puts in these from the factory lock. Okay, let's go ahead and populate the last chamber first with the last pin, and then we have to awkwardly get the follower lined up. Blindly stab at that pin with our tweezers. I think I ran into this last time. I think I was hitting the ledge of that cutout. So yeah, it's easier to do it with the flat end. And you just go through. All you do to reassemble this is just repopulate the cylinders, get it in there. I don't know if you can even see this, probably not. It's not a very good camera. But you get the pin in there, you get it in the cylinder, and then you just push it down with your tweezers. And you keep moving the follower a little bit more forward. And grab another pin, pop it in the hole. If you get a good hold on it, pop it in there. Also helps so you can see what you're doing. And then you push it down with your tweezers and you move forward until all of the Bible's chambers are repopulated. Once you're all back in, again, I add a shim just to be careful because it does get hung up on the back of that little half moon bit where the circlip goes, at least in my experience, but I'm not super experienced with this. Okay, shims in. Okay, repopulate the key, easy peasy. You just start, man, this one's so small, it's gonna be easier by hand. You start dropping them in. Two, I dropped 3, but I found it. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Just make sure we did the right thing. Put the key back in. Nope. Mixed up 1 and 2, so we just pull out 2. Probably have to dump 1 out because it's tiny. And then we just fix our mistake by putting that there and that there. Let me double check. Nice and flush. So So you want all these nice and flush in there, where there's no problems. Then you're gonna take this whole contraption, make sure the half moon is facing up on this lock core. Line it up with the top part of the Bible, and just start pushing the whole thing back through. If you do it correctly, you should be set. Remove your shim, remove your follower, lock it back up. Don't forget your circlip. Alright, now for the fun bit. What I do is I lock, personally I'll do these, I lock this back up, take a tension tool, which is the standard 50 thousandths pry bar here. Take it and I turn this half moon until it's in the locked position. Now, again, I doubt you can see this. I'm not a professional. Dump the core back in, like so. Make sure it's actually in there all the way. Push the Bible down. And you get your armored plate. Get your armored screw thing. Then you can open the lock back up with your key. Kind of have to hold it together, otherwise you're gonna lose it. But open it back up. You put that top screw in. And you have a working American lock, 5200. I am user Silver Subi. Today's the 14th of May, and I appreciate your time.